Hello students, in today's class we will discuss about temperature and measurement of temperature. Boiling water is hot but ice is cold. A pan kept on a gas stove is hot but the handle of that pan is cold. This certain measure of hotness or coldness of an object is its temperature. Hotness or coldness of any object depends on the direction of flow of heat. Heat flows from a hotter body towards a colder body. Like if we touch ice, then we feel cold because temperature of our body is comparatively higher than the temperature of ice. Transferred from our hand to the ice. Thus we feel cold. But if we touch a cup of hot tea, we feel hot because in this case temperature of tea is higher than the temperature of our body. So heat is transferred from tea to our hand. That is why we feel hot. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. Other common units used to measure temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. In all three scales of temperature, there is one ice point and a steam point. In Kelvin, the ice point is 273 Kelvin and steam point is 373 Kelvin. In Celsius scale, the ice point is 0 degree Celsius and the steam point is 100 degree Celsius. And in ice point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the steam point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So, in Kelvin scale, if we subtract 273 from 373, number of divisions will be equals to 100. Similarly, in Celsius scale, number of degrees will be 100 and in Fahrenheit scale, after subtracting 32 from 212, number of degrees will be 180. As you can see, in Kelvin scale and in Celsius scale, ice point and steam point are divided into 100 equal degrees. So, 1 degree on Celsius scale is equals to 1 degree on Kelvin scale. But in Fahrenheit scale, ice point and steam point are divided into 180 equal degrees. Means a length A to B is divided into 100 equal parts in Celsius scale. But the same length A to B is divided into 180 equal parts in Fahrenheit scale. Since the length is same, that means 100 degrees in Celsius scale will be equal to 180 degrees in Fahrenheit scale. Therefore, 1 degree in Celsius scale will be equals to 180 upon 100 degrees in Fahrenheit scale. After simplifying it, we will get Celsius scale is equals to 9 by 5 or 1.8 degrees in Fahrenheit scale. We measure temperature using a thermometer. A thermometer has a scale marked on it which is used to read the temperature. Thermometers are of two types: laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. Both thermometers are mercury thermometers. When heat is provided to the thermometer, mercury contained in the bulb expands and rises up. Laboratory thermometer is used for measuring temperature of various objects in labs for experimental purpose. It is made up of a long glass tube. The bulb at one end of the glass tube contains mercury in it. Whole thermometer is graduated from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. When we put thermometer in ice, the level of mercury rises to 0 mark, while in boiling water it rises to 100. From 0 mark to 100 mark, whole thermometer is 200 equal division. Each division is called as a degree. To measure the temperature of an object using laboratory thermometer, put the bulb of the thermometer in that object. After some time, when you notice no further rise in mercury, read the thermometer while its bulb is still in touch with that object horizontally with the level of mercury, and then read the marking till which mercury has risen. That marking tells us the temperature of that object. We cannot use laboratory thermometer to check human body temperature because the moment we take the laboratory thermometer out of our mouth, the level of mercury will start falling down and we will not be able to get the accurate temperature. So, for measuring of human body, clinical thermometer is used. There is a special feature called as kink or constriction in clinical thermometer. It is a slight bend which prevents the mercury from falling back all by itself, so that we can check the accurate measurement of temperature even after removing the thermometer from mouth. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. When a person gets fever, his body temperature rises. The clinical thermometer has a range of temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, as temperature of human body normally does not go below 35 degrees Celsius or above 42 degrees Celsius. To measure the temperature of a patient's body, the thermometer is first washed using cold water. Then a jerk is given to bring the mercury level in its tube below 35 degrees Celsius mark. The bulb of the thermometer is then kept either or under the armpit of the patient for about a minute. Then thermometer is taken out and reading is noted. If the temperature is above 37 degrees Celsius, then patient is said to have fever.